Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you a really cool, awesome, nice HOOMYA metal detector for professional and for adults and of course for kids out there with PP function, with depth display, 10 inches, waterproof coil, and it can put into 20 inches deep underwater detection. All metal, disc and notch mode with tone recognition. We have adjustable treasure hunting mode. The first thing is a disc mode, which allows us to exclude the metals we don't need. We can exclude the first 5 metals in order, and we can choose the notch mode. We can exclude the first 4 metals, except iron, because the big chunk of iron may contain gold. Whenever we are a professional metal detector enthusiast, or a beginner, or even a child, we can easily use it. This metal finder subdivides the target metal type into 9 levels and 10 adjustable sensitivity levels. When the metal is detected, the detector will recognize it immediately, and it will automatically indicate the depth of the object. If a metal object or highly magnetic coil is too close to the search coil, it will be displayed. It is an overload warning. This function can guide us to use the correct detection distance. And we have 3 types of sounds and pinpoint. This gold detector will emit 3 different sounds according to the different metals. If we can hold the PP button in the center of the display, then it will show the distance to the target metal. The closer the detector is to the target metal, so sharper the sound will be, which will save us time to distinguish value metals, and will locate the target easily and improve detection efficiency. And waterproof 10 inches. The search coil helps us to hunt for treasures in shallow water. It's leak proof for 20 up to 30 minutes, okay? Under 20 inches of water. We can use it to detect gold by the river or sea. The automatic backlight LCD display can clearly display the information no matter day or night. The stem is adjustable from 41.4 inches up to 47.3 inches, suited for different heights. The control box, of course, is not waterproof, so take care of it. It provides our exclusive, customized waterproof case, as well as earphone shovel and a backpack. When we are ready to go, we will embark on a cool and very meaningful journey of discovery. Treasures are everywhere, and the joy of exploration is beyond words. This is also a good gift for children, parents, or friends, of course. And it looks only cool if you are on vacation, if you go to the beach with that awesome gold detection tool here. That's cool. Maximum length are 120 degrees centimeters, and the minimum length is 105 centimeters. We enjoy the happy hours spent with our kids, for example. Carrying out the exciting outdoor activities with our children will not only reduce to our children's dependence on electronic equipment, but also make a parent-child relationship closer. SENS, sensitivity. We can adjust the sensitivity from 1 to 10. The higher the number, the more sensitive the detector will be. This sensitivity control does not affect the pinpoint sensitivity, okay? In practice, the maximum depth is around about 23 centimeters. If the detector beeps, beeps erratically or beeps when there are no metal objects being detected, we have to reduce the sensitivity. It is recommended to adjust the sensitivity according to the ground conditions to avoid fault alerts. That's cool. That's really cool. And overload warning. This function is to guide us to use the correct detection distance, especially helpful for beginners, of course. If a metal object or highly magnetic coils is too close to the search coil, the detector will overload and make it will appear on the LCD. You know, the two lines. If occurs, just lift the search coil a little bit or move to a different location. And we have 3 tones to distinguish metals. When the different metals are detected, it will be emit low, medium and high tones. And it is applicable to all models. Usually, the valuable metal sounds sharp, cheap metal sounds low. So we don't have to keep our eyes on the screen, but we can enjoy the surrounding scenery. It is better to use headphones, which are included, to let us focus on finding treasures without fear of the noise environment. The host heat is equipped with a 3.5mm headphone jack, suitable for all universal earphones. And battery power, a real-time reminder of the battery usage. Let us know when the change of the battery are there. We can rest assured to carry out uninterrupted detection activities. Applicable batteries are 9-volt alkaline batteries. Do not use heavy-duty or carbon zinc batteries, of course. And there it is, a multi-function shovel with back. The dual-purpose shovel, one end is a shovel, the other is a pick, with the function of the shovel, pick, saw, nail, puller, etc. Foldable, small in size, and easy to carry. The handle can be horizontal or vertically bendable, and it's easy to use. And it is also a good helper for outdoor activities such as camping, setting up tents, climbing, exploring, traveling, organizing the home garden, and scientific research. And we have a multifunction long back patch in the box. The back patch can be fully loaded with a detector, and there is extra space for a shovel and other small tools, which is very suitable for us who like to go out to detect. And a comfortable armrest. Ergonomic design, S-shaped sponge handle effectively relieves wrist pressure. The weight of the whole machine is only 1.1 kilogram, so it is easy to hold for a long time. That means you can make a long hunting for treasures everywhere and with everyone you like. This is really cool. On the LCD display, it shows the probable type of metal, the depth of the target, the range of the disc, the notch, the level of the sensitivity, the volume, and the battery condition. It also has digital display for target identification. For example, we have 5 controls there. Power turns on or off the power, of course. This is the power control button. Then we have the menu button. We press it to select the desired operations mode and the settings of SENS and volume. Then we have a plus and a minus button, increase and decrease. We increase or decrease the level of sensitivity or volume and the range of the disc. Or we can go with decrease and discrimination or notch. Then we have the PP button. This is to pinpoint the location of the target accurately. And we have a headphone jack. We let there connect headphones of 3.5mm and operate it with treble. Yeah, without treble, because no one around us hear that treasure information. Then we have 240mm waterproof search coil. This lets us use the detector even if we must put it under the shallow of water. and adjustable shaft. This let us adjust the length of the shaft for comfortable use. And the power is two 9-volt alkaline batteries, which are not included. You have to buy them separately. And a nice backlight so we can see and look for treasures at night. Oh yeah. It's really easy. We unscrew the fixing knob on the third coil and remove the knob connector. We place the washer into the groove of the lower stem. Then we insert the stem and align the holes on the third coil bracket and the stem. We push the connector through the holes and tighten the knob. Job's done. Good job, the third coil is attached to the lower stem. Then we press the silver button on the lower stem and slide the stem into the middle stem. We press the silver button in the middle stem and slide the stem into the air stem. Then we tighten the lock nut on the air stem. Job's done. We are nearly finished. Then we adjust the stem to length that we feel comfortable when we stand upright with the detector in our hand. And the third coil is level with the ground with our arm is relaxed at our side. The counterclockwise rotated to the tightened lock nut on the middle stem. Then we fix the control box on the air stem and tighten the fixing screws properly. This is tool-free. We only need our hands. We want the surge coil cable around the stem. We insert the surge coil cable and plug it into the 5-pin jack at the back of the control box. Job's done. Then we can start and have fun with that metal detector. We do not over-tighten the surge coil for use tools such as pliers to tighten it. The surge coil's plug fits into the connector only in one way. We do not force the plug and do not pull on the cable or we could damage it. And then we can start and having fun and searching for so many awesome treasures out there. So, then we have the target digital ID sense volume screen in front of us, and you can see on the right center side, this is a depth indicator. You can see how deep your gold nugget will be. On the upper side, there are a lot of information, like iron, foil, 5 cent, aluminium, VN, 10 cent, 25 cent, 50 cent, and $1. This is the target ID for dist and notch range. That means nail is low tone if you're using the disc discrimination feature. Nickel, medium tone. Zinc penny is a medium tone. Or the gold ring, gold rings will register with a medium tone. A dime, high tone, and a quarter will give you a high tone too, for example, okay? Then you can detect nails, nickels, dimes, quarters, gold rings, penny made of zinc, no problem. You can search for iron, foil, and you will see in the display iron and foil detected, a digital value from 1 to 19, 20 to 29 in foil. Then aluminium, for example, is the medium tone. It will display an alum and will digital values 40 up to 49. And then we can start easily. We find a place outside where there is no metal. We place a sample we want to find on the ground, for example. We press the power button and then we can start. We hold the third coil level to the ground about 1-2 inches above the surface. We slowly move the third coil over the area where we place the sample. We're sweeping the third coil in a side-to-side motion. We never sweep the third coil as if it is very pendulum. Raising the third coil while sweeping or at the end of the sweep will cause the false reading. We sleep slowly. Hurrying will cause us to miss targets. It's better we sweep the third coil from side to side in an arc line of 3 inches motion and keep the third coil parallel with the ground. And then we can have a good job for searching of treasures out there. If we are going to adjust the pinpoint, the feature, it's really easy. We press and hold the PP button. We hold the coin motionless over the third coil. We lower the coin toward third coil, and then we raise the coin away from the third coil. We notice that the sound changes as the coin moves closer and farther. We notice that the depth indicator changes as the coin moves up and down. So you can find it, the metal, the gold nugget, or what you're searching for, in the right direction on the right side. For example, we are going to use the notch features. We press the menu until notch is displayed, and we press plus twice, and then we can go to the 5 cent icon will flash for 3 seconds, and then we can push the minus button to have the target icon flash, and then we can remove it like that, and so we can make a focus only on specific metals out there, or we go to everything. And it's the same with the notch feature or with the standard metal detector controls. This is really cool and easy, intuitive using to find treasures on the beach, outside, or of course inside too. This is the really cool HOOMYA metal detector. It's a professional metal detector for adults and kids with a PP function. With depth display, 10-inch waterproof coil, it can put into 20 inches deep underwater detection. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. Let's start.